Companies covered by the GDPR are accountable for their handling of European Union customers' personal information. This includes having data protection impact assessments, data protection policies, awareness training, and other relevant technology, documents, and processes on how data is handled. If companies fail to process an individual's data in the correct way, or if there's a security breach, they can be fined up to 20 million euros, or 4% of a company's global turnover. Data brackets can help companies easily and efficiently comply with GDPR requirements by reviewing all of the key GDPR requirements against their existing processes, technology, and documentation. In addition, Data Bracket's GDPR package provides easy-to-use templates, training, and other relevant forms to implement any missing controls. You can comply with GDPR requirements either by leveraging our DIY platform or having one of our certified professional consultants complete it for you. Request a free quote now